Hello and welcome to today's video where I will be teaching you how to apply gold leaf to any font or any badge. So first what we're going to do is we are going to open up our gold leaf texture here, and I will provide files in the link below. And we're going to go ahead and unlock the layer here. Next we are going to open up our badge and we are going to unlock its layer. We're going to do a quick prep on the badge, which only involves deleting the background, as so. And we're going to go ahead and merge it onto the gold leaf texture, as so. Next, we are going to use the text tool with a font that I have previously picked out. You can use it on any font, anything. This works for any thing that you choose. And we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna raise the font up here, and I'm gonna put medic 12. You can type anything, it doesn't matter, this works for anything. And I'm gonna reduce the size of this a little bit. So we're gonna have it about as so. Alright. So next, we are going to group anything that receives a gold leaf. So it's just these two that'll have the gold leaf on it. So we're gonna go ahead and group those. And now we are going to drag the group below the gold leaf. We're gonna right click on the gold leaf layer and create clipping mask. Now notice it applies a gold leaf just fine. It just looks a little bit too big, so we're going to go to edit and free transform, and we are going to make this smaller, much smaller. Don't worry about the pixelation going on. It'll go back to its normal render once we have applied the free transform. So it looks a little bit better, not too bad. And now everything's looking great, although I do not like how there's gold leaf all over this freaking badge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide the gold leaf layer. I'm going to go to the badge layer, and we're going to figure out which one we would like to have the gold leaf applied to. Now, for instance, let's say you want the red area to be gold leaf only. What you're going to do is you're going to delete the white areas. Now, if you want the white area to be gold leaf, you will delete the red areas. The main thing to know about this is gold leaf will only be applied to areas that are visible. Sorry, so let's say I want the white area to have gold leafing only. What I will do is I will select a red area, just anywhere. I will right click and hit similar, and I will hit delete. Now if we toggle the gold leaf, you will notice that the white area receives the gold leaf. Now, what you can do is if you merge all of this together, you can go to your paintbrush and you can reapply the red outline. Or maybe you can do black. Now you can also go to stroke and apply a black outline as well. But I hope this tutorial has helped you, and feel free to share any projects you have used using the clipping mask. Again, hopefully I will have more tutorials out on helpful information, and I hope this serves you well.